Well, this is my wonderful mess. This is the type of stuff I eat, and I love to eat whole natural food products without any extra added stuff people get sick from and die constantly. And I really love my health, and so I take good care. Back and I'm better than ever. What's up, guys? Welcome to Libien Becker Health, or Libien Becker Health. Today is a little bit different for you. Well, first off, this is the channel where I talk things, fitness, health, and nutrition in a way that is simple, effective, and fun. But right in front of me is Thrive Market. Thrive Market is an online grocery store, basically. You can do all your grocery shopping online, and this is one of my favorite places to do it, at Thrive Market, because I love thriving for sure. I'm basically going to take everything out of the box and show you what I get and for the reasons I get it. These here are dry items, and then these here are just frozen items still in a box that came with dry ice. We'll talk more about it, but I'm going to start with this stuff first. Thrive Market, I've been with them. Well, I've been shopping at Thrive Market since 2019, which has been a while, in 2025 now. It's been a bit, and I've been, using them forever, every month, every few months. And I absolutely love the stuff they provide. And let's start unboxing. Most of the stuff on my cart gets shipped on a monthly basis or every 3 months. I go and change the date, but I'm on a subscription to where I get a discount for being a member. 3 days to 5 days is how long it takes for the items to ship. They're not going to ship on odd days to where any products in here might melt. Let's just start with this box first here. Comes in these packages, little paper. So I actually already opened the salt package because I needed it. So I opened it already. Celtic sea salt. This is one of my favorite salts to get. Everything off Thrive Market, you will learn, is whole natural type food with limited amount of sugar, without extra added hormones or preservatives or coloring. So everything on there is all good food that I love eating. And of course, here's my spaghetti, organic, gluten-free. A lot of the products on Thrive is gluten-free. You can get gluten-free, Whole30, vegan, all that stuff. Thrive Market's got everything, guys. Let me tell you that. Everything you will need to support your health. Bunza shells right here, 50%. This here is collagen peptide. I'll either get my collagen from Amazon or Thrive Market. This one's a pretty good kind for collagen. You can put on your protein powders or any type of meals you cook with. That's why I use it for. I put it in my protein or any type of drink I'm having. I'm not much of a snacker, but once in a while when I do snack though, I try to do it correctly with the good stuff. And this here is one of my favorite snacks, guys. This right here. It's the peanut butter filled pretzels nugget. Yeah, I love this one. It's good, non-GMO, gluten-free, of course. And then what I look for is this nutritional value, nutritional facts, and ingredients in here. And what I really like is when people add their signatures to their products like this. And you see, she's the face here of this lady. And real ingredients like these ones. You see, peanuts, serum, root vegetables. Perfect. The next one here, it's been a little warm, but oil. This is the coconut oil that I use. Sometimes I'll give it in a bigger container, but I just got it this much for this time. But yep. And then this year's creatine. And I'll also get this same type of creatine sometimes on Amazon as well. This is the creatine I use. Sometimes I love using maple syrup in some of my stuff, especially baked oatmeal or pancakes when I have it. Organic maple syrup, cinnamon and vanilla bean, naturally flavored. And then here's this one. And you see, I love this type of stuff they use. This is biodegradable type of material, environmental friendly. I use coconut or milk here. And the thing, I really like about Thrive Market is that I can just sit in my home or wherever I'm at, go online, make the order. It's at my front door instead of going to the store. And this same stuff is also at the store, but with Thrive Market, you get this type of stuff at a discount. More coconut milk. It's got a lot of containers here. I love their packaging. That's my favorite there. And then more of the fire roasted diced tomatoes and more coconut right there. And just stack them there. I'm going to probably put everything in front of me for a nice thumbnail picture. All right, so this box. Got everything out of it. Just gonna stuff it back up and put it in the recycling bin. Let's open this one now. And you see the box is pretty strong too. Usually what they will do is have this same box in one, like this size, one box. But this time they decided to split it, probably just for packaging purposes there. Of course, more. Oh, this one got smashed a little bit. Spaghetti right there, more. And you see, these are the same stuff, but just put in different boxes. Honey. Woo, I love this honey, guys. This honey is my favorite. Dang, this sounds, I think I haven't gotten exactly this one before. This one might be new. I'm excited to try it. There's one kind that you usually get, but I switched it this time. This one's the organic honey, raw, unfiltered. Very important. And then the ingredients, raw, unfiltered, organic honey. You see, that is simple to read ingredients. Most important. If it has a bunch of words you can't even pronounce or read, it's not meant for you. Perfect. Beans, red beans. I love some red beans. More stuff here. Package well. Let's see, what's this one? Oh, yeah. I needed some garlic powder. It's because I was running out. Hey, peanut butter. Love this kind. This is one of my favorite kinds to get. Open this one. It's protected like this for a reason. Let me show you guys this. It's the oil. Oh, yeah. This is my oil right there. So, of course, I started out with coconut oil and then extra virgin olive oil. This is my second one. I don't know if I got my third favorite oil here, but these two are one of my go-tos for a lot of my cooking. Extra virgin, most important, non-GMO, California, 0%, California, extra virgin olive oil. Just know where it's sourced, where it's from. And then this one's a pinto bean. I haven't had pinto beans in a bit here, so I'm glad I put this back into my cart. Oh yeah, di-reed. Where we're meant di-reed, baby. Arroz, mami. Yep, so this one's a brown arroz and con di-reed blanc. This is the red one. Got the black one right there. The thing I got to say about beans and the reason they're important for my diet is beans are a vegetable, of course, and they have a lot of fiber, which the reason I put them in my meals is because adding that fiber into your meals keeps you full for a longer period of time. Therefore, you don't have to keep snacking or eating. I do my best to soak them. People have a hard time with fiber. So soak it to release a lot of toxin. That's most important. Okay, more. We got more, guys. I hope. Stay tuned. Stay tuned with me. Okay. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Me love some tomato sauce. Right there. And again, the nutritional ingredients, plum, tomatoes, onion, extra virgin olive oil, garlic, sea salt, red pepper, black pepper, basil, organic. All of this stuff is lovely ingredients. Perfect. disputed by Thrive Market. See, Thrive Market's own company. Ooh, this one is. Oh, yeah, I know what you are. I know what you are. Oh, I forgot one thing. Okay, I'm going to have to. Oh, no, I didn't. Just kidding. Eyes here. This is broth. They pack everything so well. Oh, and one thing I didn't show you guys here is their signature. They always put their signature right on the box too. Let's see. This is a vegetable broth. And then what's this one? This one is the chicken broth. Getting this one. Goes to the end. Yep. And if you guys seen one of my last videos, you'll see my baked oatmeal recipe that I love. And I use this in my baked oatmeal quite a bit, or oatmeal in general that I eat, because it has a lot of flavor to it. And this is California Farms Oat Vanilla. So oat milk, perfect. And then this one is the same kind, but no, this same oats, but different flavor. Organic oat beverage. You could use this for your, you could put this on your coffee or any other thing you like. And then here's the back of it. Well, this is my wonderful mess, y'all. These 2 boxes are over. Now let's open the frozen items. I said earlier, this stuff comes with dry ice. So you got to make sure you're home or somebody's home to put it in the fridge or freezer right when it gets to the door. So nothing goes bad because it is meat product. My main protein source that I do love is meat. And I eat meat, all kinds of meat. And that's why I enjoy getting meat from Thrive Market or Butcher Box. The meat, whether it's pork, beef, these animals are properly raised and humanly raised and actually aren't filled with hormones or injections and all that type of goofy stuff they be selling you at the other stores. So I do like getting my main protein source meat products from there. And usually I do get my stuff from Butcher Box or either Butcher Box. And there's another one I haven't used in a bit that I did, but I'll probably drop it here if I remember the name. So Butcher Box is one of my favorite places to also get meat products. I did Thrive Market because there's a special item in here that I want that comes frozen. But with Thrive Market, though, if you want free shipping, you are required to have a certain amount of products in a box for them to ship it because it's not worth it for them to just send you one thing in a frozen box, I guess. So that's what they require. What's in here is going to be special. Let me show you guys. And there's other meat products in here I got, but usually most of my meat products coming from Butcher Box. So there's just a little bit of stuff in here. And there will be another video of me doing an unboxing of Butcher Box. So you'll have to come back to see that. It's not too big of a box. Here is what I wanted. The baguettes. Baguette. I love these baguettes. I remember doing track. I used to always have mom bring me some when she came to watch my track meet and dad. And they used to make a sandwich out of these and bring them to me. And I loved them. And so I've been eating them since I can remember. And this is it. Closer. Wonderful baguettes. Oh, I love this. I got 2 of them. Yeah, let's see here. The other thing I got is sausages. This one's their organic, non-sugar added smoked sausage, smoke flavored. Awesome. Fully cooked. You mainly just have to defrost it and warm it up. Gluten-free, of course. A lot of this stuff is gluten-free. Okay. Oh, this is the other thing I got here, the chicken. Free range, of course, most important. And in here is the whole chicken. This is a whole chicken here. It's a little one, but it'll do for lunch. Perfect. Okay, that's it that I got there. I didn't get much of that. I mainly just wanted these. And then the other stuff I was going to get from Butcher Box. So that's what I explained. I love Thrive Market. And if you guys, obviously, you can type in Thrive Market online or You'll find the link in the description down below to all of these products. This is the type of stuff I eat, and I love to eat whole natural food products without any extra added stuff people get sick from and die constantly. And I really love my health. And so I take good care to make sure I put the good stuff into my body. You guys saw the price online when I was making the order. And that price, to some of y'all, this stuff may sound or be very expensive. So you can't see yourself actually ordering this stuff. And you might just go for cheaper options. But for me, the way I look at eating in grocery shopping or grocery haul is, if I just go and get the cheap stuff, the stuff that aren't as healthy or healthy at all, if the way I think about it is, get that cheap stuff and spend money when you're sick getting pills and other stuff to make you feel better from eating those crappy other stuff. So I would rather spend the money on this stuff, not worry about having to be sick and having to go to a doctor or go to the pharmacy to get pills to fix my problems I've had because I'm eating junk. That's how I see it. I would rather spend the money up front into my long-term health and not have to worry about that stuff, because that food affects your body for a long time and constantly. People constantly talk about being sick, talk about not being able to function, addicted. Yes, the system screws people up too, but we all got to take responsibility for our actions because there's nobody saving us. It's up to us to take advantage of places like this, the people who care about you, setting up a place to where you could thrive. That's what Thrive Market really stands for. They actually put a system up to where people who actually want to take steps in their life to upgrading their health, go to their place site and get the stuff they need at a discount, much cheaper than the stuff you'll find at the store. And I save money shopping at Thrive Market than I would going to the store, or whether that's Publix here in Florida or Walmart or any other grocery store. The price I spend here with these stuff, even with my frozen items within the meat products, they're actually in price with my $300 or so a month budget. So usually it's a $300 budget I spend a month on groceries. And that stuff per month, all of this stuff you saw here is equivalent to that 1 month of me grocery shopping, because some of this stuff is going to last me obviously more than a month, like this, like this, like this, and like the collagen and a bunch of stuff here is going to last me a while. That's how that goes. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Always remember to stay healthy and drop in the comments, like, subscribe. If you got any questions, feel free to ask me. I'll give you my best answer, because I'm only here doing things for myself. I'm not necessarily somebody telling you what to do. I'm just showing you what I do, and maybe you might draw some inspiration. Peace.